Today we are doing a quick Dorian workout using two keys, D minor and E flat minor. If you only practice a scale in one key, it's easy to memorize your fingers instead of the sound and the structure. Before using a scale in real music, I like move it between different keys. First, let's make sure the notes are under our fingers. Play each scale up and down until it feels comfortable. Once that's easy, let's add the groove. The left hand will keep a simple groove inspired by Sowot. The right hand will play the Dorian scale, alternating every 4 bars between D minor and E flat minor. First, the groove. Then play quarter notes in your right hand. Next, 1 quarter note followed by 2 8 notes. Then reverse the rhythm. 2 8 notes followed by 1 quarter note.
play the scale in 8 notes.
Once it feels comfortable, it's time to turn the exercise into music. Instead of running the scale, start improvising. Use only the notes of the Dorian scale, but try to create real musical phrases over the groove. To give ourselves more space, we'll double the length of each chord from 4 bars to 8. That gives us more time to develop ideas before moving to the next key. The goal isn't just to learn Dorian. The goal is to become comfortable hearing and playing the same sound in more than one key. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more and see you in the next video.